Hi friends, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. Today I am here with a very important announcement for students writing CA Intermediate and CA IPCC exams in November 2020. It's a matter of immense pleasure for me to announce a 100% free test series. You heard it right, a 100% free test series. So I'll tell you the backdrop of this idea. I have been teaching online for the last few years, and because of this pandemic where the physical classes are not possible, many students are opting for online classes, and I'm very happy for the kind of feedback and the support you guys are giving. We have more than 300 students in CAP classes now. We have both live and recorded classes. I teach FM, Advanced Accounting and Auditing. Many of my students, those who got my free study plans through Telegram channel and other media, they are very happy with the study plan, but many of them are again coming back to me saying that, Pavan sir, the study plan is exceptionally doing brilliant, no doubt about it. But the point is, first day, whatever the zeal and enthusiasm I have, the dedication and commitment I have, after few days, I am not getting into the same kind of track and same kind of energy. I am tending to be lazy. No one is there to push me. So my interest levels, my dedication levels, my commitment levels are oscillating and they are coming down gradually. So after 1 week, I give up, and after 3-4 days, again I repent, I curse myself, I sulk, and then I again want to come back to the track. I understand this is the problem of all the students. This is not the problem of 1-2 particular students. So I have been thinking of how can I add value in your preparation. So I came with a 100% free test series. This is not going to be a 1 exam or 2 exam. This is going to be a 30 to 40 examinations all put together. You heard it again right. There are no internal or hidden costs in this also. This is absolutely given free of cost. I'll tell you the modus operandi, how this works and all. If you are interested to participate in this test series, you have to send a message to the numbers given below. Then you will be given with one Google form wherein you have to fill the details whether you are CA Intermediate student or CA IPCC student, whether you are attending Group 1 or Group 2 or both. When you furnish that information to us, we will give you a study plan, and this study plan come test series will start from 1st August onwards. So we have effectively August, September, October, 3 months. So to utilize this 3 months properly, in this 90 days, how can we cover subject by subject, chapter by chapter? I will design a plan and I'll give it to you before August 1st. So it will be like this. Each subject will be divided into few parts. So the parts could be maybe 6 to 8 parts, or it could be 10 parts. If the chapter is a small chapter, I will conduct exam in 2-3 chapters put together. If the chapter is a big chapter, then chapter-wise examination will be there. So, to enable the students writing both the examinations, we prepare the schedule in such a way that one exam will not conflict with the exam of the other group. That means even if you are a student appearing both the groups also, we can accommodate you in the same study plan. So, one, you will be given with a study plan. At the end of the day, you will be given with the question paper. You need to write the answers and answer paper will be given to you. Mock exams will be conducted at the end of chapter-wise exams. So, when you attend this mock exams, which are conducted in strictly ICAI manner, like, the weightages, the examination pattern and everything, evaluation, everything will be as per the ICAI guidelines. How ICAI conduct exams, in that manner we conduct exams. So what are you waiting for? If you are really serious, studious, and if you want to, work with commitment, discipline and dedication, if you are feeling like if I have a good mentor who can give a push to my preparation, who can accelerate, who can, make me to run on the track continuously, my dear friend, let me take the privilege of being your mentor. Register for this test series. Fill the Google form that will be given to you when you send a message to this phone number. When you fill the Google form, we will give you study plan. Again, I am telling you, chapter wise examinations will be conducted, subject wise examinations will be conducted, mock exams will be conducted. The question papers will be given to you by way of email or a broadcast group on daily basis. You have to write the exam, you have to send the answer sheets, and then we will give you the suggested answers also the very next day itself. So thank you so much for the love you have been showing on CAP classes and on Pavan Kumar me. And I expect your support, and please share this maximum with the students, whether they are from any part of India or any part of the world. They are settled or living in any part of the world, they can participate in this free test series program. So please share this maximum, as you know, sharing is caring. Love you all. Thank you so much.